In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive USDC on Cash App. In the previous one, I showed how to send if you want to check that out. But if you want someone to send you USDC and then have it automatically convert for your cash balance here on Cash App, you can do that. And USDC is a crypto token that is just pegged 1-to-1 with the US dollar. So if you receive 10 USDC, you receive $10 in your account. So first you want to go to your wallet screen here and you can scroll down to the bottom and then you can tap deposit USDC. You're going to have some options here. In this video, I'm using a Solana wallet. So we're going to receive through Solana. You want to ask the sender what blockchain they're using. So they could be using any of these 4 blockchains. But for this example, the sender is using Solana, so I'm gonna tap Solana. They can scan this code here. I'm gonna have to copy this address, let the sender know the address, and you see I have $23 in here right now. So I'm gonna go to the crypto wallet, tap send, paste in the address, $10, tap next, and send. So that $10 USDC just came to my Cash App that fast. Wow. Automatically converted and went into my cash balance here. So there you have it, how to receive USDC and have it automatically convert to money on your Cash App. Remember, you do have daily limits and you can check those in your app.